Hello and welcome to week 8's Jing for CIS 126, Intro to Python. Jason here. And this week we're going to continue to work with files and lists. So first we're going to look at the lab for this week, which I used the Richard Corey poem, which was suggested. So here I have my source file, which is the richardcorey.txt that has, I'm just going to fix this real quick. Which has the poem. And then I created this new richard.txt, which right now is blank because the goal is to print that first file into this new one, the content. So let's look at the code I have here. So to do this, it's going to be similar to any other file. There's a file open that's going to open the source file, read it, and we want to print out the lines. And then we're going to close the file. Now, in order to get the source file to print into the new file, I used this code with the source file open, as I labeled it rich1. We're going to use write rich, which is equal to basically reading the lines out from the source file. And then also with this destination file open, I want to write to this destination file, which is going to be rich2. So then, well, this one's reading out the lines, this one's writing the lines. And then we have this part closing out both files. And then just for readability, I printed a delimiter just to make it a little cleaner. And then this second part is what actually is going to open the destination file and basically just serve as a check, to make sure that everything works smoothly. So let's take a look at how it works. I'm going to run it. So we've got a little bit of weird formatting, I guess. So I'll have to fix that. But basically I have the poem here. This is the original. And then this is the new one that it was written into. So just to double check, let me look at my new Richard, and as we can see, it did work because now this started off blank, and now it is full of text, so that's a good thing. I'm just going to clear it for now. And the last thing I want to talk about real quick is I did do a little bit of work on the green eggs and ham. So again, we converted this to a list. So green eggs and ham list. It's going to open that file. And then again, we're going to read out the lines, close it, and then we want to return the list. So then I have this routine here for printing out the list. And then I decided to reverse the content. So just to look at it real quick. Yes, we'll save it. So that's a lot of text. But as we can see, this part here, I am Sam, Sam I am, that's backwards. And then this is how it's supposed to go forward. So that part did work. So that's all I have for this week. I'd like to thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.